man, that was me when I was 50 years old. I could not do one pull-up. I could in high school, but ever since then, I got weaker, I understand, and my shoulders became achy when I did them.
But you can do them now because it didn't look like it.
Actually, now I can do 10 of them. It's not a problem. It's my regular routine. And I feel strong like bull.
Oh, that's good. Strong.
All right, now seriously, it is true. I could not do them at 50. Now I can. I'm going to show you the system that I use. It works very well.
So we're going to show you Brad's trick in order to do pull-ups easier now. And at the end of the video, we're going to give you a bonus tip how you can help your back and shoulder pain with the pull-up bar.
That's right, and I use that as well.
So there are 3 different style pull-ups you can do depending upon the pull-up bar system you have. You can do a wide grip like this. This is typically a little bit more challenging. You can do a neutral grip where you grab the bars that are coming straight out like this. Or for beginners or me, I personally like to do a chin-up because your biceps are involved. Now pick which one feels best for you. It's going to depend upon your strength and your shoulder mobility.
As well as what kind of
pull-up system you have at home.
Exactly. When I had this problem, it's like I really want to do pull-ups because everyone else I know was doing pull-up. Bob was doing them, Mike was doing them, my friends were doing them, and I was like, I'm a wimp. So I'm going to show you the 2 options that I've used. One of them is you can simply take a stool or a chair, put it behind you. I don't do it this way, but I could. My way I like better. But anyways, so I'm going like this, and I'm going to push with my feet. And it's amazing how much easier you can do a pull-up with just a little assist. So that is one option. My goal is always 10 repetitions. If I can get to 10 repetitions by 9 and 10, I'm working, I'm feeling the pain, the burn a little bit. That's my goal. And you can do 10 if you want to do 1, 2, 3 sets of 10. Start out with 1, obviously, and then see how you feel the next day. Take a break. I only do mine Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, this is what I use. You do need to have loop bands. Again, the other option you don't. So let's just go through. There's 2 ways that you can hook these up. The first way is hook it up just like this, loop it through so it ties, and you do that right in the middle. And put it on your knee like this. You can actually put it on your foot like that. I find it easier and better on my knee. And I find that I use shorts while I'm doing this, and the loop band sticks to your skin better than clothing. So that works very well. It'll work on your clothing like this. And simply pull up and down, and this is easy. Now, if you're starting out, the red one or this thickness may be more difficult. So what you're going to do, there you go to a thicker band. And it is amazing when you go to one of these thicker bands how easy you can do these. Same thing, go down, and boy, you know, this, I can probably do 30 or 40 of them. I'm not working very hard. My shoulders don't work or aren't hurting at all. And you can tell by my voice, I'm not too stressed at all. So, works very well. Now, option number 2, again, whichever band you find works the best. There we go. There's usually 4 or 5 bands in a set, all different intensities. Now, this is how I do mine at home. I go around like this, and I only use 1. And I go down, but you could come down with the second one, whatever works for you. And I have a bar like this. I don't do mine with a palm like this. I always do them this way because that's the way I do them. There we go. All right. Mike.
Do 100 more of those.
Yeah. Actually, with the purple one, I probably could. Go ahead, get some input on yours. Mike is more of a veteran than I am at this.
A good thing to do, which Brad was doing, is when you are doing pull-up, make sure to go all the way down and relax your shoulders to get better lat engagement. Oftentimes, you'll see people do this. Try to aim for your chin over the bar if possible, and then they'll stop partway down, and they'll just do partial reps. This isn't doing a whole lot. Try to go all the way down, all the way up. Again, the stronger you get, the more control you have going down, the more engagement you're gonna get. And if you're really struggling, you're not really pulling straight down like this. You're essentially pulling it to your chest. This is going to engage different back muscles, making it a bit easier. So as you see when I do it, my chest goes to the bar, and then I come back down. Obviously, with the wall in the way, you can't rock as much to get as much angle, but it's just a way to make the pull-ups easier.
Excellent. Yeah, the point about doing them slowly and full range of motion so you get a good quality pull-up is really important. Thanks, Mike.
I'm sweating.
Now we're going to go into seeing how you got a pull-up bar, how you can help your shoulder pain and your back pain. This is very simple and quick. All right, now you can use your pull-up bar for extra benefits for your shoulder as well as decompression of your thoracic and your low back. As far as your shoulder, Dr. John M. Kirsch, he's a shoulder surgeon. He wrote this book on hanging for shoulder benefits. It works very well. I never believed it until I read the book and actually start to do this. This is a part of my program, and I simply grab my pull-up bar, and you do have to be supported by your leg weight. If you jump up to it and you go to full weight bearing, that's not the correct way to do this technique. Here, and then you simply gently go down and allow the body weight to hang and put traction, decompression through your shoulders for anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds, depending on what's comfortable. If you're starting out, maybe 5 to 10 seconds. After a couple weeks, you will be able to hang longer. I don't go longer than 30 seconds. However, Dr. Kirsch's book, he talks about people hanging for over a minute and longer. So again, do what your body tells you. Now, while you're doing this, you're actually decompressing or putting traction through your mid-back and your low back. And just relax and allow that to feel good. Oh, do you ever do this, Mike?
I do, but don't do it before your pull-ups because you're going to be way more tired. I've done that before. It's a bad idea.
Now, if you have stenosis, like I do it in my back, I simply bring my feet out in front of me like this, and then I round my back here, and boy, does that feel good. It helps open up those facet joints. Those are the ones that get compacted with stenosis, and it's a great way for stretching and maintenance on that as well. All right. Today's product is a D5 Pro Massage Gun by Bob and Brad. We're just launched this, and it's an excellent product. We're going to go through all the details in just 1 second.
It is a very powerful massager with a 55-pound stall force.
That's right. It also has the latest in battery technology, so they last longer and they charge up faster.
Yes, they are rechargeable. Simply plug in on the bottom here, plug it into the wall. It comes with a cord in there, and just let it charge up.
And the ergonomic handle and the way it is shaped, you can get to your back, over the shoulder, and those traps easier. Also back on the hamstrings, those awkward places.
It also comes with 5 massage heads. Simply pull them off to change them out.
That's right. It does come with the air massage or the air head, which is really important when you have a gun this powerful, so that you don't overdo it, as well as the other ones that when you really want to get in deep. I like this one as well. It's rounded. It's kind of an in-between head.
And it also has 4 different massage modes. Basically, it just changes the speed at which the massage head is moving when you vary on those. And it can go from 1,500 RPM to 2,500 RPM.
And look at the nice case it comes with. It also has a very nice user manual.
Even has a carrying case for the massage heads.
There you go.
Fancy. And here's the charging cord part.
And this is comes with all Bob and Brad massage guns. We do not want to skimp. Nice, zip it up. There you go, and carry it away.
Now, they do come with a 1-year warranty through Amazon when you buy it, but if you go to our website, you can actually do a 2-year warranty for free.
That's bobandbrad.com. Go to that and just go to the product section and go to where it asks for the 2-year warranty. Fill it in. It's done. Voila. I'm feeling good, strong, and my shoulders are stretched. My back is decompressed. And you can do the same thing. It is really a good system with a pull-up bar that a lot of people aren't aware of.
Now, if you're someone that struggles with push-ups as well, you can click the video link on the screen to find out more about how to improve that.
That's right. It's a wonderful video. Yeah.
I think you're in it.
Yep.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.